Hi friends, I have the new Erin Condren Hello Kitty 50th anniversary box. Let's take a look inside. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie of Coquette Natalie, and I cover all things planning, stationery, and crafting. I am so excited. Thank you to the team at Erin Condren for sending me this special Hello Kitty box. You guys know I am a huge Hello Kitty fan, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. This is like, I think, one of the best boxes they've ever done for Hello Kitty. And I love that this came in a bigger box so I can actually save this box because it's absolutely beautiful. I love the new design. I am just so loving the box. I'm ready to use my life planner with the Hello Kitty 50th anniversary cover for 2025. And yeah, I am all in. So let's open this up. It's like a little tricky here. Okay, right away opening up, you get a code for 15% off for Hello Kitty's birthday. So that's really cool that you get another discount code. And this box is just absolutely adorable. You get to see her in this like gold foiling that says smile, sparkle, and shine. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so let's take the contents out. Let me put it on the side here. I'm going to open this up. This is really cute too. I want to keep this and put this in my planner. Oh wow. Let's take this over up on the side here and we will take a look at these. Oh wow, this is really cute. Okay, so first up, there is a sticker book fan. I think Erin Condren has this for like, I'm going to do another order for the Black Friday sale, but they have something like this for Erin Condren too. This is a sticker book fan, which is kind of like, oh wow. It's like a little, it reminds me of those Pantone color fans that we used as designers, but it's all little stickers on here. This is absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh. There's labels. There's like little notes here, like little washi strips, stickers of her. Oh my goodness. This is like, sorry, I'm getting nervous because I'm excited. So let me make sure you can see everything. Yeah, really cute stickers in here. And then more labels. Oh, I think it repeats. So you get like 2 sets of each of these stickers. So yeah, that's really cute. Really cute. And this is so handy to put into your, like your pen pouch, like here. I have one of the Hello Kitty pen pouches from Erin Condren. It fits really nicely. So yeah, this is really cute. Okay, next up, let me open up this really quick because I saw it's glittering on the side. It's a Hello Kitty pen pouch. And I think Erin Condren had some kind of like sparkle jelly pen pouch before, but I like this one because it's got enough room. It's not too big and not too small. You have just enough room to put things inside. It's glitter pouch, and you have Hello Kitty's face on the side here with her hearts. It's so cute. And then you have a elastic which you can put on your planner or notebook as well. So this would fit like really easily. The washi, let's see if it fits this. Yeah, it does fit here. Oh, this fits in here too. So this fits in here. So you can put some supplies in here too, which is great. Let's open up the washi. Okay, so you get a very thin washi strip. I'll put these out on paper. A light blue gold foil washi strip of Hello Kitty's face, and then this 50th anniversary larger, instead of ombre, it goes from like pink to like green. Really cute. So we'll get swatches of this once we open up the other pieces in here. You get a card, smile, sparkle, shine. I don't know if it's like a note card set. I love this, like, it's really cute. So is it? Oh, there's 2 note cards and 2 envelopes. So you get this one, Let's Celebrate, which is really pretty. That same ombre with the pink, very nicely done to the green. And then a 50th anniversary one that's got gold foil on there. Smile, sparkle, shine. Oh my God, so cute. This is just so adorable. Okay, and then we get 3 glitter dot chisel markers. These are really cute. I love purple. I'm just gonna see. Oh, these are nice to make dots. I need to use this one actually too, because it's in this month in my life planner. It's for December, it's like purplish tone and teal. So it's really in the Hello Kitty colors. We'll test these out too. Okay, and this is what I've been waiting for. The A6 notebook ring agenda. Oh wow, this is really good quality. I watched a few unboxings, but this is actually like really soft plastic. Put this out. And this is really soft, like I think it's vegan leather, but very cute. And I love that it's A6 size. Oh my goodness. And this is just, I hope they have refill paper for this because this paper is too cute. Yeah, it's just basically like a perpetual date. You can just circle the month and the day of the week, the number, and then just write as a notebook journal. And it goes through the whole, I don't know how many sheets are in here, but it's pretty substantial. It's front and back. So you can do whatever you want in here. Take notes for meetings. You know, when you have important meetings, you need to have Hello Kitty with you. Yeah, this really makes me happy. I love this. And you can just like stick one of your dot markers here. So anyway, let's try the dot markers really quick. And then we'll try the washi tape. Oh, that looks very nice glittery tone. You can take a look there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try and focus it in. Yeah, you can really see the glitter in the purple. The teal blue is a little subtle, and the blush peachy one is you can see the glitter too. It's really, really cute. Okay, so let's try the washi. I don't have a washi cutter with me, so I'll have to just rip it. Oh, that's nice. Let's try this blue one. This one's sort of ombre as well, actually. I love this thin one. They're actually, the three of them together, really nice. Nice variety here. I love the detail in this really thin one. It's like Hello Kitty and her cake, and it's like her birthday. So cute. Really cute. And this little like 50th anniversary like illustration. It's just adorable. These will be really cute to use in here or to use like in your planner. Whatever you want. Let's just be happy and enjoy Hello Kitty. I'm just loving overall all of the cool things coming out for this 50th anniversary. And the box is really cute. I can't wait to save it and use it for storage. Yeah, definitely I'm gonna save this box. It's just looking at the little drawings is just so adorable. Okay, I just wanted to also add this Hello Kitty special life planner is still available right now. I would snatch this up before it gets out of stock because they only sell the Hello Kitty Life Planner like at the end of the year. And this one, this new design is particularly really cute because it has all of our friends in here too. So I have a video on flipping through this. I'll link to it below, but definitely check that out. And then here's everything I got in the new 50th anniversary Hello Kitty box from Erin Condren. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.